In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can post a video on Steam. So let's dive right in. So we are in this desktop. You can open your Steam app, and after opening it, you will be on this store. You have to open this community. From this community, it will show you this tab here, popular hubs. You can open anyone. I'm opening this Counter-Strike 2. After opening this, in the header side, it will show you the sum of options. You will be on this all. From here, you can open these videos, and from these videos, here, in right top side, you can find your option, how do I upload a video? If you click on that, it will show you a dashboard like this, where you need to scroll it down. Now on the right side, you will find here this, adding videos. Click on that, and you will be on this page. Adding a video to Steam community can be done by clicking the videos link on the right side of your Steam profile. Click on that video. It will open up like this, where it will give you these two options, link YouTube account and manage videos. Where if you click on this link YouTube account, here it will give you this option to give access to your YouTube videos. So in the first process, you have to link your YouTube account to your Steam profile, and then you have to select videos you want to add to your profile and then share with your Steam friends so they can marvel. So that's the process to post a video on Steam.